Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a great privilege to be talking to you all, and also very happy to introduce you to 3D Gem. 3D Graphy is a consortium, and I am the founder and CEO of 3D Graphy. For the last 9 years, we've been promoting 3D printing technology and 3D visualization. We would really like all of you to participate and gain knowledge, network, and also build synergies in terms of seeing how we can use this technology to benefit your requirements. Also understanding the problem statements from various different industries who would probably want to really educate themselves and also learn the technology and also use this.
3D printing or additive manufacturing is part of Industry 5.0 and advanced manufacturing, and democratization of additive manufacturing is essential to benefit all Indians. Additive manufacturing can serve 35 out of 40 industrial sectors of India. 3D Graphy, engineering and medical, which is supported by 22 industrial associations which are end users of additive manufacturing. 3D Graphy is a strong supporter of National Strategy for Additive Manufacturing that has been launched by MeitY in 2022, and I wish India will benefit from this major event.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a pleasure and an honor to be here standing in front of you all intellectual people.
Welcome to all of you here to 3D Gem 2025.
For 3D printing innovation in India, promoting the 3D technology for the last 10 years.
To have realized the importance of how customization can be a game changer for an end user and as a patient. Bombay. Thank you, sir, for your presence. And may I invite you on the stage. Especially also for his active response and his active support for our 5th edition, which we'll be conducting next year. That's going to be in IIT Bombay. Sir is going to be one of the key respondents and our committee member. So every institute, we have formulated this concept of also of a team of innovators and intellects and department heads to have joined hands together for us to take things forward.
Thank you, Dr. Shivu-Yon. It is our pleasure and honor to be the host next year, sometime in May. So we hope to see you there, and it will be our privilege and honor to welcome you all, and hope to have a very exciting session next time as well.
28th and 29th.
20th and 29th May, sorry. So please come to IIT Bombay and please be a part of that. Thank you very much.
Having such esteemed speakers and so much information exchange. So I'm coming to one of the most awaited parts. We've had some amazing posters prepared by students, and we are here to see the culmination of that. So without any further ado, I will start with the medical side. The first prize winner is poster number 1. That's none other than Purushottam Bhaskar Rao Suryavanshi. Please make your way to the stage. Mr. Iyer Akash Sambamurthy. Miss Nidhi Podar. Prashant S. Prasadini Maharana. Dr. Devtanay Das. Dr. Sachin Latia. Dr. Dilip Patoche.